Per token prices fell 99% since 2022, yet enterprise bills tripled anyway. Welcome to the reality of token economics, where what AI produces per token matters far more than just what it costs. Right now, invoices are climbing, but outcomes aren't. Only 28% of organizations report measurable AI value, while 60% generate no material value at all. This is where the waste lives. When agents run unsupervised in production against live systems, they can consume 50 to 500 times more tokens than a simple interaction. Retrieval pipelines blindly attach entire documents to every model call, while background monitoring agents burn through tokens on events that humans never even review. There is zero per workflow measurement against defined business goals. Fixing this requires one discipline deployed across 4 key steps. First, match your task complexity to the AI model cost rather than relying on an engineer's default choice. Second, swap full documents for trimmed context to cut spend by 60 to 90%. Third, track your cost per resolved query instead of total token spend. And finally, set strict ROI thresholds and chargebacks before deployment, not after the fact. The truth is, not every task needs a frontier model. The cost spread between the cheapest and most advanced models runs up to 4,500 times. At SynaptyX, we split workflows into discrete tasks like retrieval and classification, size them right, and route them down a single path to clear the bar at the lowest cost. We built this entire discipline directly into Lattice, the engine behind every engagement we run. It's the difference between an inefficient monolithic, raw pipe, which brings heavy token burn, latency, and vendor lock-in, and a right-sized AI spine. By grounding the model with industry context, user metrics, and organic feedback, we turn raw queries into high token efficiency, faster responses, and deterministic answers. Every single task gets checked, and every cost gets counted. Lattice treats cost per outcome as a first-class metric. We enforce pre-deployment pipeline testing, async quality checks on every response without adding latency, and automatic inline retries via independent judge models. This delivers a glass box guarantee where outputs are validated, traceable, and built on a foundation of 70% people and process, and 30% technology. The real cost is the spend producing nothing measurable. If you're ready to turn spend into outcomes you can actually prove, reach out to us at SynaptyX.